To add a new vehicle to our system for the purpose of dispatch, I'll show you how to add a new fire truck. First, we need to add it to our inventory with Operations, Inventory, Inventory Maintenance. We want to do filter by agency. This is going to default what agency we're inserting as, or you can change it here on the screen. If I move this down, you can see the item number and description as they show in that list. I'm just going to enter new truck and new fire truck. I can decide if it's a fleet maintenance item or it's assignable. Assignable as in assignable to an employee or equipment. This is a big piece of equipment. I'm not going to assign it to a person. Client type, I'll select fire department. I can fill in the rest of this information if necessary. Inventory, I do have something built in my list, so I'm going to call it a ladder truck, and I'll give it a fire apparatus category here. I don't really have anything in my subcategory list to choose here, so I'm just going to ignore that. I could fill out the rest of this information if I was that ambitious. It is active, so that's important that we have that here. I'll save that, and now it's in my inventory. Well, let's get out of here. Next, we'll assign this inventory so dispatchers can dispatch it. Go to Responder, Assignments. Our first step is to put this in our unassigned responder list. I'll insert that here. It's an apparatus. I'll put my new apparatus ID and grid. And I'll save that. And now I'm going to assign the responder. I'll highlight it in the list here. Click the Assign Responder. I'll make sure not to click the Assign Person, but Assign Responder button, and then it should show up in my list down here. And now it's dispatchable.